everyone, welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing good and staying safe, and happy Diwali to everyone. Hope you all are enjoying your Diwali a lot. And today I have created this Bhai Dooj makeup look. So before starting with this look, I want to say what Bhai Dooj is. Bhai Dooj is actually a celebration between brothers and sisters. This is a day when sisters pray for their brothers' long life, their health, and therefore prosperity. So this occasions in Bengali we say it as a Bhai Phota, but the purpose of this occasion is very same. So this is all information about Bhai Dooj, and now I'm going to talk about this makeup. So as I know that most of us we are going to stay in home and going to celebrate this Bhai Dooj in home only, and we don't want to do a lot of makeup, and always we are in a hurry because we want to celebrate this occasion with our brothers. So that's why I keep my makeup very simple. I have just used the basic foundations and mascara and a lipstick. I haven't done much because this is a makeup look that I am going to carry in this Bhai Dooj. So if you want to see how I've created this look, then please continue watch this video till the end. So today I'm going to use Wet n Wild Photo Focus Dewy Primer. So I'm going to use this primer because it will give that healthy glow in my skin, and it will help my makeup to stay for long hours. As in Bhai Dooj occasion, we need to stay for long hours and we need to celebrate this Bhai Dooj. So it is optional. If you want to use primer, you can, otherwise you can skip this. So once I will use primer, I will keep it 1 minute to absorb it in my skin, and then I'm going to use foundation. And now I'm going to use Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation. So today I'm not going to use concealer, I'm just using foundation. So that's why I'm using this Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation, because it will cover all your blemishes, all your pigmentations and dark circles, because it's a full coverage. So you can use this. If you don't want to use concealer, you can use this foundations and it will cover all your blemishes, acne scars and dark circles. Comes with this pump, so that is also very easy to use foundation. And now I'm going to dip my damp beauty sponge. I'm going to use this, spread this foundation all over in my face. So once foundation is done, now I'm going to use Wet n Wild contour palette. So here I'm going to take this banana powder. I'm going to set my foundation so that it can have a matte look and sweat free look. Now I'm going to use Nykaa eyebrow definer pencil. First I'm going to brush my eyebrows. Then I'm going to use this eyebrow pencil. I'm going to take a close mirror to draw my eyebrows. And my eyebrows are done now. So now I'm going to take Wet n Wild Color Icon eyeshadow palette in the shade Rose in the Air. So here I'm going to take this orange shade and going to use this in my crease, in my upper crease. I'm going to use Nicka K New York palette. So this is in the shade Birthday Cake. So here I'm going to take this orange shade. And now I'm going to take this and dust off the excess. I'm going to use it in my outer corner, and then I am blending it towards the inner corner. and I'm blending very softly using this brush in the outside edges, and then I'm blending it from outer corner to the inner corner of my eyeshadow. So this is a technique. You should always hold your brush in the outside edges, and then you should blend it very softly. Now again I'm going to take this Wet n Wild palette, and again I'm taking this orange shade and going to use it in the lower lash line area. I'm using a flat eyeshadow brush. Then again I'm taking this NYX palette, and this is the shade Birthday Cake. So here I'm taking this orange shade and again using in my lower lash line area. Now I'm going to take this shimmer shade. It's a golden shimmer shade, and going to use it in the center of my eyelid. And here I'm going to use a finger. In the center of my eyelid. And now again I'm using this brush. So this time I haven't dipped this brush in anywhere. I'm just using it and blending it all together to have a seamless look. I'm going to take this shimmer shade and going to use in the inner corner of my eyes. So here I'm taking this sponge, I'm dipping it and using it in the inner corner of my eyes. And here I'm going to use Maybelline Hyper Curl Waterproof Mascara. So this is also a very good mascara. It gives a good volume in your lashes, and you will not feel heavy, you will not feel that you have wear any mascara. Pack falsies. So if you want, you can wear falsies, otherwise you can skip this. So now I have wear my falsies, and what I'm going to do now, I'm going to use blush. So here I'm going to use Colorbird Cheek Illusion blush in the shade Sweet Scarlet. So this is also a very pigmented blush, so be careful whenever you will dip your brush in this blush, because if you dip this blush and directly use it, it might look chunky. So always dust off the excess. So whenever I'm using blush, I do not use directly in the apple of cheeks. I always use blush in the side cheeks, and then I move towards in the apple of my cheeks. So that looks very beautiful, that looks very firm, because if you use directly in the apple of your cheek, it might look very like a clown. So be careful whenever you use blush, use it in the side way, and always use it in your side cheeks, and then come to center of your cheeks. So I have also applied to some extent in my nose, in my chin area. And now I'm going to use a lipstick. So here I'm going to take a Maybelline matte lipstick, liquid matte lipstick in the shade Best Baby. My lipsticks are done now, so now I will do my full look, and then I will show you my complete look. So this is my final look. hope you have loved this video, and all the product I have used today all mentioned in the description box, and the link is given below, so you can check the description box, and if you want to buy any product then you can click on the link. It will directly go to the purchase option and you can buy the product from there also. And let me know that whether this type of makeup is relevant for you. Are you going to do this type of makeup in this Bhai Dooj occasions? Let me know in the comment sections, and also let me know, do you want to see more makeup look and what type of makeup look you want to see. Let me know. Definitely I will try to make that type of look also for all of you. And if you like this video, then please subscribe my channel, because I'll be more happy and it will keep me motivated to make more videos. Till then, love you all, take care, bye bye.